Hello everyone, the Shadow Key Pony here, and I'm back with another toy review. Today I'm going to be reviewing this, which is the Disney Encanto Bruno Madrigal or something like that. It's basically, I'm guessing, just this Bruno statue from the Disney movie Encanto. So there's nothing really interesting on the back. Down here it's just all legal guff and all this other stuff. So I guess we just open this guy up, I guess. Oh, here we go. Alright, looks like I'm going to have to use the scissors for this one, because he's got a little plastic string. So yeah, that's annoying about I think it's the new figures that have them, sorry. So yeah, there's Bruno here. He's got his hair, nice detail on the hair, and also the little cloak thingy majig, or poncho. I think it's a poncho. It doesn't look, the face doesn't look like Bruno though. Like, I don't know, maybe it's his cousin or something, I don't know. The shoes, whatnot, and the legs, and yeah, I don't know who this guy is. It's definitely not Bruno, but it's supposed to be him. And then you just need his little oh, here we go. Oh, the rat fell out. Oh, right, there we go. And I think you just place it in his hand or whatnot. Wait, is that thing part of it then? Is that what goes into his hand, like the little cardboard bit? No. Okay. So I think, yeah, I think it's supposed to be like that or something. Well, yeah, so I think it's supposed to go into his hand, the rat. So that is the Bruno statue thing. And well, let me actually show you the detail on the rat first, actually. If the camera picks it up, it's just, yeah. That's what the rat looks like. I don't think I can focus on it very well, but yeah, that's what the rat looks like. And yeah, so yeah, that's that. That's all this figure does. There's no what do you call it, rotations of like the arms and hands or whatnot. There's none of that. It's just a statue, and that's it. So yeah, I haven't really watched the movie Encanto, if I'm saying this right, but yeah. Thank you all for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. I know it's a little bit short. I try to go over the detail of this figure as best as I can, and yeah, goodbye.